This unremarkable creek in Wyoming might be the coolest geographic feature in the entire country, but there's a good chance you've never heard of it. This is North Two Ocean Creek, a small creek located in Wyoming's Bridger-Teton National Forest, just south of Yellowstone National Park. Now, at first glance, there is seemingly nothing remarkable about North Two Ocean Creek, as it's only about 3 miles long and, during low flow conditions, about 5 feet wide and 6 inches deep. Frankly, some random creek in your backyard is probably more impressive. But don't let these numbers fool you, as North Two Ocean Creek is actually unlike anywhere else in the United States and probably all of North America. You see, as its name suggests, it's the only known body of water that flows into both the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. That's because just a few miles downstream of its headwaters, it splits into two distributaries, the aptly named Atlantic Creek and Pacific Creek. From the point where the creek splits, which is known as the parting of the waters, water can either flow 3,488 miles to the east into the Atlantic Ocean or 1,353 miles to the west into the Pacific Ocean. That means, thanks to North Two Ocean Creek, you could theoretically travel across the entire country from Louisiana to Oregon without ever leaving the water. But what is it about this little, nondescript creek in particular that makes it the only place where this unique hydrological phenomenon occurs? Well, it all has to do with location, location, location. You see, North Two Ocean Creek is located directly on the Great Continental Divide, which is the main divide in North America that separates river systems that eventually drain into the Pacific Ocean to the west from those that drain into the Atlantic or Arctic Oceans to the east. Now, in most scenarios, the continental divide is obvious, as it follows the crest of the Rocky Mountains. But there are some scenarios where the divide is so gradual that it's almost imperceptible, as is the case at Two Ocean Pass. Two Ocean Pass is the large, seemingly flat meadow that North Two Ocean Creek drains into. And the divide is so gentle at this point that the creek is able to split into its distributaries directly on the divide itself, sending half of its water to the Atlantic Ocean and the other half to the Pacific. Essentially, the location of North Two Ocean Creek and the characteristics of Two Ocean Pass form the perfect set of circumstances for this unique hydrological phenomenon to occur. Comment below if you've heard of North Two Ocean Creek, and follow for more geography content.